What's going on, everybody? Let me introduce myself. My name is Lintang Pratama. In this video, I'm going to be showing you guys a hands-on review of starter kit by Cleaning Shoes and Care. Are you ready, guys? Let's get into it. Starter kit by Cleaning Shoes and Care is new product by brand from Semarang City called Cleaning Shoes and Care. There's special equipment to clean your favorite or lovely shoes, like shoe cleaner, antibacterial spray, soft brush, hard brush, and microfiber towel. So I got this for 95 rupiah from Shopee, guys. So let's take a look what inside. Wow, we got thank you card and 2 stickers. So it's look like we've got 250 ml of the shoe cleaner. Well, test this out later. And we got antibacterial spray. It's the only product who can eliminate noxious smells and kill bacteria or germ. You can use this on your shoes, bag, helmet, and cap. Actually, there's a lot of variant in this product, like vanilla, coffee, apple, and bubblegum. But I choose the coffee one because first I like smell of coffee, and also I like to drink coffee. So looks like we've got 2 sets of brush. It's just really good because it comes with two brush, one brush right here, your soft brush. So you can use this for any material, and it's just come more universal. So you can use it for any material. It's just very soft. This one right here is going to be mixer brush. It's a lot firmer. It's a lot stronger, which means for the midsole and outsole. The brush for this starter kit is really nice. I love the texture of it, and just how it feels, just really cool. I like it. No, it looks very sleek design. It's just complete beauty. And we also have a microfiber towel with the cleaning bending right here. Let's open it. That's cool. So all this for 95 rupiah, I think that might be worth it. But we still have to test out this product and we'll show how it goes. And then we'll just test out the antibacterial spray coffee, and apply a few spray here. And see how it smells. So wait for spray also. The most pretty good towel, put in this to the side. Yeah, shout out to starter kit. A really good shoe plan. It never disappointed me. Never felt disappointed, guys. I would definitely recommended it. Alright guys, overall starter kit by Cleaning Shoes and Care is really good. I just feel like it comes with more stuff. Everything you want on shoe cleaner guys. It comes with a microfiber towel, antibacterial spray, and also come with 2 specific brush for specific material. So the soft brush for your all material, and then you have hard brush for midsole, and it comes with a pouch bag, so it make it really portable and handy. I love this starter kit. You can get this product on Shopee and Tokopedia. I'll be posting the link in the description below. Yeah guys, thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate you guys taking the time out for your thing and this video. So I hope you guys like the video, and always remember to wash your hands. It's your boy shining out, Jack.